So let's see today's delicious recipe of chicken koftas. Let's go through the ingredients. They're really few and some things that we really have in our kitchen or our pantries. So now here I have 250 grams of chicken mince. These are 2 medium-sized onions that I've chopped really fine. 4 to 5 green chilies chopped fine. Now you can adjust this according to how spicy you'd like the koftas. 10 cloves of garlic chopped fine. This is about 1/4 cup of fresh coriander chopped fine. 1 egg. Now this is the juice of 1 lemon, so roughly about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. This is 1 cup of breadcrumbs. 2 teaspoons of pepper powder. And our last ingredient, which is also very important, is salt to taste. So now that we have our ingredients sorted, let's just get started. So first I'm going to add the onions to the mince. Now you can see that I have all my ingredients just ready. So this would be a good tip to, keep all your ingredients ready. Next goes in the garlic, the green chilies. Now I would suggest that you go a little on the spicier side because then it really brings out the taste. Of course, if you're not used to spice, then you can cut down on the spiciness. Next goes in the pepper powder, the coriander leaves. Now one tip is that everything really needs to be chopped very fine, so take your time with the ingredients. Now some salt to taste. Now I'm going to just beat the egg up and add that. And the lemon juice. So I'm going to mix all of these ingredients well together. Now you can see that I've not added the breadcrumbs yet. And now I'm going to add the breadcrumbs. Now here I'm mixing it with a spoon, but I prefer, mixing it with my hand because then I come to know, okay, how much breadcrumbs are needed because we want a firm and stiff kind of a mixture. So now our mixture is ready. So we're just going to make very small koftas or small balls and set them aside. So make them very small, don't make them very big. And now would be a good time to keep, just about a little bit of oil for heating. So I'm just going to be using about 4 tablespoons of oil. I don't want to deep fry this, but I would like to, just shallow fry them. You could deep fry them too. So I'm just using about 4 tablespoons of oil, and I'm just going to put the koftas in, and I'm going to fry them on a low to medium heat till they are nicely evenly cooked. Keep your flame from low to medium, and then just keep tossing the koftas around till they are nice and golden brown. Keep an eye on them so that they don't get burned. Don't increase the flame to very high because then only the outside will be cooked and the inside will be raw. So cook it evenly on a low to medium heat. You have to try out these koftas if you haven't already. You can have them all by themselves like a starter, or you can have them with some pulao. The choices are endless. And now you can see that they are all nice and golden brown in color. And what I like to do is I like to drain them on a steel sieve like this, not on kitchen napkins, because that way they remain nice and crispy. If you put them on the kitchen napkins, they do become a little soggy. And that's it, guys. Delicious koftas are all ready to enjoy. So friends, don't forget to give this video a big like. Don't forget to subscribe to Akshata's recipes by hitting the red subscribe button that you see below the video. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell and click on all. That way, whenever I put up a new video, you'll get a message for the same. Go and check out Akshata's recipes. I've got more than 800 and 50 recipes. I've created a playlist, so you can go and check out the playlist on my homepage. I've segregated all the recipes there according to the type of recipes. And do share my recipes with family and friends. And for all of those of you who are here supporting my channel, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I'll catch you soon, sooner than you think. This is Akshata signing off. Take care, guys. Bye.